Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I Tuan Muhammad Irfan bin Tuan Zaharuddin with my fellow Muazzaz Syafiq bin Muhajum, Ahmad Afan bin Mazlan and Muhammad Tulha bin Zaharuddin want to present a group presentation on case study from Assessment Human Resource Management MGT 340. Okay, now I want to start discuss or explain a few questions from Assessment MGT 340. Firstly is, what can students do to improve their chance of finding employment after graduate? Okay, what students can do is clarify your academic and career interests, learn about opportunities in challenging fields such as business, engineering, mathematics, and technology. Develop self-determination, self-advocacy, and work readiness skill. Learn about right to accommodation and how to determine appropriate academic and job accommodation. Understand when and how to disclose your disability in school and job setting. Learn how to use computer, electronic communication, and interest resources to increase your independence and productivity while pursuing a career. Access campus and community career development service and activities. Access campus and community resource for academic and employment support. Develop a support network of other students with disabilities and adult mentor. Your network will provide contact for employment after graduation. Consider work-based learning opportunities. Okay, I think that's all for my answer from this question. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And very good morning to our homeroom teacher, Madam Suhana. So today I will give a presentation about group case study human resource management. Okay, for me, I will answer the question 2. So the question is, why is it hard to get a job as a fresh graduate? So the answer is, as we all know, Malaysia is one of the countries with a high employment rate as a result of fresh graduates from institutions of higher learning who still do not find jobs. This contributes to the unemployment rate in the country. This is due to as the number of college graduates and degree holders has increased during the past years. So has the number of job applicants vying for the same position. This means to competition in the job market, specifically for entry-level posts. In addition, the difficulty factor for fresh graduates to get a job opportunities is that the average retirement age is too long. For example, fresh graduates still do not get job opportunities because there are workers in Malaysia who have not yet retired, because the average civil servant in Malaysia retires when they reach the age of 55 to 60. A relatively long period of time. This is an important factor that contributes to the difficulty of fresh graduates to get employment opportunities. Therefore, the government needs to review the retirement period for government employees in order to provide opportunities for young people to work. Okay. For the other answer is, in my opinion, government should facilitate business financing, especially to the youth. The bank should make it easier to obtain personal loans to help youth start their small business. This drastic measure will ensure that more small and medium industry can be created and provide better employment opportunities shortly. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Tulha bin Zaharuddin from 81104B. In this video, I will answer about 3 questions of MGT 340 case study. In your opinion, what government and universities can do to help fresh graduates increase their opportunity to get a job after graduate? What government can do? In my opinion, the government needs to provide more alternative marketing channels such as online business as well as adding community business center as part of the measure to create more jobs. For example, the government needs to open a large shopping mall. The job opportunity can not only accommodate the dumping of unemployed graduates, but also help the lowest 40% income group of household B40 to do business or become entrepreneur. This is because if there are many supermarkets or premises selling cheaply priced goods, indirectly it will reduce the cost of living. In addition, the government may also review the retirement period for government employees. For example, limiting the retirement age of employees to 55 years. This will ensure that the government can help the young to get employment opportunities.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhaizat Syafiq bin Muhajum. Now I would like to present about group presentation on case study from MGT 340. Okay. I would like to present about question number 3. In your opinion, what government and universities can do to help fresh graduates increase their opportunity to get a job after graduate? I would like to about university. What university can do? The university can also help in terms of adding skills to students. For example, the university provides lessons on a variety of language such as English, Arabic, Chinese, French, and so on, which diverse and fluent language speaking skills will ensure that students easily get job opportunities. Many companies are very interested if they are fresh graduates who are skilled to speak in other language. This is because many companies throughout Malaysia are interested and need employees who are fluent in various languages. For example, a travel company that desperately needs employees who are fluent in the language to facilitate them and attract customers. So that's all from me.